let's double check the others dominance targets updates with my custom indicator set. Yes, this is monthly time frame, and one more time I realized, so sometimes better trust the indicators and indicator set, this one in a complex, then just wait some miracle from the altcoins, during this cycle or the upcoming one, because in many cases we always come back to the fundamental value of the tokens, in this case to the fundamental line of others dominance. If you didn't know what is others dominance, it's crypto total market capitalization excluding top 10 dominance in percentage. So around here it's January 2022, so it was so obvious, all liquidity going down into Bitcoin. That's why you can find out. So the liquidity from altcoins, you can open any chart of basically any altcoin to BTC, not to USDT. For example, some altcoins like Injective, Fetch, AI, Om, Mantra perform pretty good. Render performed pretty good. Solana performed pretty good. XRP hit new all-time high historically one. But others, many, just dozens, thousands of altcoins, it's going down, drastically going down. And it's just others dominance, it's invert of BTC dominance. And you can find here, January 2022, we going down and the BTC going up to 126K. And in October on Donald Trump dump, we landed back to fundamental value line on the monthly time frame. And yes, it's horrible, but it's a fact. It's just a fact. So next time when I will see the signal to sell on the monthly or on the weekly, I will out of altcoins and only speculate altcoins for intraday trades or maybe some local bounces, some scalp, maybe swing positions, right? Depends of the altcoins price action. And only start accumulate when we land back to the fundamental value of others dominance, the same way about the others chart. And many tokens also I will in the next cycle will analyze only and buying only when we trade on the fundamental value, not buying in the middle. So it's just a tough lesson, but it's good. It's good. Anyway, I just run the indicators I guess the 2 years ago, and here in real time we can find out. So yes, it's worked pretty good one. So now we hold the line on a monthly time frame. We try and hold the line, the buy line. But what is bad? We can come back and close the 50% of this week. I hope not now. At least we saw some signal buy back, not to take profit. That's why we not see the take profit, from the sell, but only buy back here. Was one tiny one, February 23. August 23. So you remember in August 23, after that, the perform Ethereum pretty good one. And we rejected a take profit line going down. Also, June made somebody want it was so obvious time to out of alts because the others dominance was so high. So a lot of money was inside the alts, and it's time to out to take a profit. So it's never a mistake to take a profit. And now it's not a mistake. Maybe take a risk. Take a risk and into alts. Weekly time frame, guys, take a look also. We perfectly test for my value line on the weekly. On a weekly, if Bitcoin now can go higher, for example, to, I don't know, it's hard to say how high, 200K, for example, the BTC, the others dominance can go down. So BTC dominance will go up again to 6% maybe, and others can drop to the test of the buy line on the weekly. It's 6% at 13. Take profit line on the weekly, it's 12. This one. Exit line, it's 1369. It's a high of December 23. You can open the chart of many tokens where the tokens been at December 23 and April 24, for example, and compare. Of course, it's not necessary. So the same altcoins will repeat the successful move. No, but technically, I think at least we can bounce to take profit line. This one 1320 and 1496. If some miracle, guys, happen, if some, I don't know, BTC should be down, BTC dominance should down under 40% or maybe 45 at least percent, the, I don't know, others dominance can be, I don't know, it's hard to say by timing here. Let's say March, April, somewhere 6. It's hard to imagine, you know, how it can be, how it's possible. So like so this is December, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 candles up. Do we have to test this hypothetical trend line? I'm not sure. If we cut all noise and use the line chart, guys, so maybe it's more realistic, like, I don't know, 20, 25%. Makes sense, maybe. But be careful and be realistic with expectations. At least, guys, sooner or later we will bounce to the take profit line 1324 and the exit line 1485. What will be next? It's hard to say. You know, maybe it was the top, and we will hit just a new high, not new all-time high. So all eyes on these levels. On the weekly, I showed you the zone of support. Daily, of course, this is a buy signal. It's not buy. You can't buy the others dominance. That's why we can't hide it. Take profit, guys. Buy line now. It's 4% 98. I don't think so. We're gonna drop again. So you saw we test the fundamental value of others dominance line on the weekly, on a monthly, and the buy line on a daily. So now we're in the middle. So everything can happen. Would be good to see just a sweep of this low, November 3, drop and bounce to the top. So this is going to be the pretty good one. Take a look, guys, with other indicators. Others, dominance with other indicators. Dashboard, highly recommend you use this indicator. It's all in one place, this one. You can track it, adjust the time frames and track it. So take profit, we can close. What we can see in a weekly time frame here. This is accumulation for the alts. So technically it's good. Time to sell alts will be here at the top. At the top here, January 22, it was so obvious, right? Also out of altcoins. Now it's some accumulation. So somebody, of course, logically accumulate. If we check the ADZ monthly here, time to buy alts was December 16, time to sell June 17, and January 18. Time to out of alts. Accumulation in August 19. Time to sell 1, 2, April 21, December 21, after November. And this is the same bigger accumulation than it was in August 19. So technically it's good. Technically it's good. So now it's okay to take a risk, more than okay. But the open question is which altcoin to buy. So that's a tough question. Direction, no signal on the monthly. On the weekly, I showed you. Market mood. Finally, guys, take a look. This is one more example why I have to trust more indicators, because even if I want to believe in something, you know, the indicators doesn't have any emotion. So here, time to out, because we are so oversaturated on the market mode. Everybody talk about altcoins to the moon. And only now here, March 25, all summer, we going down in the capitulation zone. October, December, September, October, November, even December, we're in the capitulation zone. So only now it's more than okay accumulated outs. Even on the weekly time frame, the March 24 was so obvious to out. So it's kind of weird. Anyway, we can work with current data. So now it's based on risk ratio, it's good. Money power, guys, take a look. A lot of money inflow into alts, a lot of RSI bullish divergences. So everything's screaming like now it's okay, take a risk, it's okay. It's more than okay. Monthly time frame here. 1, April 25, May, June. 3 months was accumulation. Bounce. Now we drop it down to the bottom without any money inflow. So it's happened at 3 times, like here. June 23, August 19, and this 3 months. So I would be not surprised if, I don't want to call it as like a super cycle, but if we will see the alts performs, some of them will perform better than others, and we can hit the new all-time high on others dominance, this one. And so we need to track when money outflow. So it's not like money outflow technically, but this signals to out of the alts. So guys, I hope you like this video. You can add alert just like this one, money power and money outflow, and track it. So when this signal will be triggered, you will see notification. So here is the alert, and it's happened at April 21, May 21, and after that it's November 21, December 21. So what's so obvious to out in 21, I didn't have that these indicators. That's why now I will not repeat the same mistake, because I can track everything with this beautiful money power alerts. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like to trade with my customer success, I will show it in this video. Just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.